Now, Marina and me will do the conference of Washington, D.C. Washington City is situated in the east of USA. USA is the east.
The mayor of Washington is Adrian Fenty. In Washington, there are 582,049 people. The people in Washington use the dollar.
Some typical food of Washington are hamburgers, corn dogs, peanut butter, jelly bread, pasta, meat, a steak, I don't know, grill, and fast food is very typical.
The most important rivers of Washington is Green River and Potomac River. The important monuments of Washington, there are White House, Washington Monument, Korean War Veterans Memorial, and Smithsonian Museum.
In Washington, there are some typical sports: rugby, tennis, lacrosse, hockey on ice, American football, baseball, basketball, and some more.
The animals of Washington is Horay marmot, yellow-pin champing, deer, squirrel, and otter. The plants of Washington are sugar maple, common yarrow, white snake, stupid maple, and mountain maple.
In Washington lives the president of USA in White House. The area of Washington, the area of Washington is of 177 square kilometers.